Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Welcome to my presentation. Before starting the presentation, introduce about myself. This is me, Mata Pradian Nuhan. My nickname is Nuhan. I read in class 2. My school name is Learning Point Kindergarten Modern Netrokona. I love my school. Also, I am a current student of Magic Spoken. Magic Spoken is an excellent platform for kids spoken in Bangladesh. Today, my presentation topic is my favorite vehicle. Okay, let's go. My favorite vehicle is car. I like cars. My hobby is to buy a car when I grow up. There are many car brands such as Toyota Noah, Toyota Exio, Toyota Corolla, Toyota Allion, Toyota Probox, etc. My favorite car brands would be Toyota Probox. Also, there are different colors of cars such as black, white, red, blue, etc. My car colors will be blue. I will drive my own car. I love driving. Thank you so much for hearing to me. I will appear later with new topics. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.